Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2167 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your throttle position sensor system. And if left unresolved, it can affect engine performance, throttle response, and vehicle drivability. What does P2167 mean? P2167 stands for Throttle Position Sensor C Maximum Stop Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the throttle position sensor C is not reporting the expected signal when the throttle reaches its maximum stop position. The throttle position sensor monitors how far the throttle plate opens and sends this information to the ECU. When the signal is incorrect, the ECU may have trouble controlling engine power properly. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2167, you may notice: check engine light on, poor throttle response, reduced engine power, engine hesitation during acceleration, vehicle entering limp mode, rough idle, and reduced overall performance. In some cases, the accelerator pedal may feel less responsive than normal. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The throttle position sensor, or TPS, is usually mounted on the throttle body. In electronic throttle control systems, the sensor may be integrated directly into the throttle body assembly. The throttle body is typically located between the air intake tube and the intake manifold. The wiring harness connects the sensor to the ECU and is exposed to heat, vibration, and moisture. The most common causes of P2167 include: faulty throttle position sensor, dirty or sticking throttle body, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, throttle plate movement problems, or ECU issues in rare cases. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning the vehicle and checking live throttle position data. Inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup. Check the TPS wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Verify that the throttle plate moves smoothly. And compare TPS readings with manufacturer specifications. If the sensor signal is incorrect, the TPS or throttle body assembly may need replacement. How to fix P2167. Clean the throttle body, repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace the faulty throttle position sensor if necessary. Replace the throttle body assembly if required. Clear the code. And perform a throttle relearn procedure if recommended by the manufacturer. Final result: fixing P2167 will restore proper throttle operation, improve acceleration response, restore engine performance, and help your vehicle drive smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.